diba? At ang inyong legislative at ang inyong judicial o equal yan. Pero dito sa inyong manunod constitution, yan ay iba ang make-up. No? Ang sabi nga is that created as Philippine state, government was popular, representative, and government with distinct branches yan. Sabi nga. Kaya lang ang nangyari, yung Kongreso ang mag-elect sa presidente. Yan. No? Tapos, yung mga kabinete niyan, their responsibility is not to the president, but to the assembly, Congress. Ano ba? Yan, yung Chief Justice ng Supreme Court law, ang mag-elect niyan, yung assembly rin. So, ang lumalabas, hindi sila iwan. Ang pinaka-powerful among the three branches of government ay yung inyong legislatibo o yung inyong assembly. So, sabi nga, no? The Malolos Constitution is unique for three reasons. First, because of the provision making the assembly or the legislative branch superior to either the executive or the judicial. Ano pa? It has provided